guys. So it's actually like noon. I got up at like 9, but I've just been relaxing around the house and not really doing much. But it is Sunday, so if you've been watching Vlogmas, you know what that means. It is my day for cleaning. So I've been watching some YouTube videos. I'm watching Bits of Brie right now on the TV. Her new video, I think she posted it like 5 days ago. I don't know. I haven't watched a lot of videos lately. But I'm doing that. And now I'm going to jump into doing laundry and dishes and stuff like that. I'm waiting on Grandma to text me. She went to a special church thing this morning with our cousins. And they weren't supposed to go to lunch, but they may have changed their minds and went to lunch afterwards. Because she was going to text me and let me know. She just did. What'd she say? We're stopping to eat, so go out, so you can go out. Okay. I don't know. Do I want to go out to eat? I could. By myself? Oh my gosh. That just made my anxiety, like, go through the roof. Oh my gosh. I might just run to McDonald's. That kind of sounds good. Just going to McDonald's. Yeah, I'll probably do that. So I guess we're doing that first and then we'll clean. But I will see you when I get back from McDonald's. Guys, so I've had lunch and I've uploaded my vlog from yesterday and I've done a couple other things. I've started laundry if you can hear it. And now I just wrote out a to-do list because I have some things that has to get done over the next day or two. Speaking of that, I had something else I needed to add on. Okay, so I will flip this camera around and show you what I have to do today, mostly, and we'll go from there. This is my to-do list. I will definitely add on throughout the day, but I have laundry, wash, dry, fold, and put away, dishes, wash, dry, and put away. I have to mop the bathrooms and the kitchen. I have to gather and take out trash because trash runs tomorrow. I would need to clean off the counters. Our breakfast nook benches, I had pretty organized. We have to have stuff that sits on top of them because I don't have enough storage, and they've just got really messy. I have to make my bed. I need to put away my FabFitFun products. I need to clean the toilets and clean off the bathroom counter. I need to wipe down the mirrors because they're really messy. What is that? I don't remember what that is. I'll have to think about it because I forget. Oh, the TV stand. That's what that is. That's a V. I thought it was a U. I'm like, what? TU? The TV I need to wipe down because there's like handprints on it from where I moved it the other day to hook up our DVD player. Then I need to clean off our end tables, and I have an empties video I've been meaning to film. I'll probably just add it at the end of this video because there's not much, but I've been needing to film it. I need to empty the bag because it's overflowing. So that needs done, and I know for sure I'll add on as I go. But yeah. Alright guys, so I've done a good amount of cleaning. It's now like 5:30. I've just taken all the trash out. I've done all the dishes. I have one load of laundry left to fold. And just besides that, I've made my bed, picked up things, straightened up my desk area. I've cleaned the bathrooms, basically, like cleaned the toilets, cleaned the mirrors. Stuff like that. My counter is basically cleared off except for dishes that need put away. Stuff like that. So I've done a good amount. So there's one big thing I want to get checked off right now. So that's what we're sitting here doing. But before that, I want to talk about this new product that I've been using lately and absolutely loving. So this is the Brazilian menthol pain relieving like rub on, and then they have a little cream as well. So this brand is DDR, I think it's what it is. Yeah, DDR Products. And they were nice enough to send me some samples of their products to try and just talk about with you guys. I'm not being paid to talk about it at all. They were just nice enough to share it with me. So, I just thought I'd mention them. If you guys haven't watched my channel before, or if you haven't watched for a long time, about 2 years ago I broke my foot and I'm still having problems with it. I have a lot of arthritis in my foot. My foot is now I'm now flat-footed, like my arch collapsed. And because of that, I have a lot of problems with my knees as well, especially when I'm cleaning. When I'm cleaning, I'm on my feet a lot, and I'm like squatting up and down when I pick up stuff and everything, and my knees will kill me by the end of the night. They're actually killing me right now, and I just put this on about 2 minutes ago, and already I'm feeling relief. Between the cream and the roll-on, I prefer the roll-on because I don't have to touch it at all, and it's just super simple. Just literally roll a little bit on, and a little bit goes a long way. It really, really does help within just a couple minutes. It's all natural. It's got natural menthol, natural Epsom salts, natural cooling pain relief. It's non-greasy. You do get a slight cooling, but it's not like some products like the icy hot. I find the icy part of it and the cooling part gets too intense for me, and this is not intense at all. Immediately I feel the pain go away, and it's not like the cooling part of it does not overtake the pain, and like all you feel is cold and like it hurts. And this honestly really, really helps. The menthol helps with increasing the blood flow to speed up healing and reducing the heat of inflammation at the same time. The Epsom salts also reduce inflammation and provide blood flow and eliminate toxins naturally. So I will leave a link to these down below. I absolutely love them. I can't recommend them anymore. Like, they're my go-to. Like, they're honestly so great, and I've been using them for probably 4 or 5 weeks now, since before Thanksgiving, and I really, really love them. Can't recommend them enough. Like, top quality. But the big thing I want to bust out here and get it knocked off my list, I've been having this on my list for a long time and I haven't had time to sit down and do it, is my empties video. So I have this bag full of empties products, and I'm just going to share it with you guys in my vlog and get it done with and out of the way. So a lot of these products I'm not going to concentrate on too much because I've talked about them multiple times before. So we're just going to show them and go on. So the first thing I am going to talk about is the Casa Tuscana Argan Oil and Coconut Butter Body Wash. This stuff is really, really nice. It smells really clean and just natural, and it leaves your skin so moisturized and so soft. If I can link this, I will. I'm going to link all my empties products that I can find. This was in a Christmas set I got last year, like a gift set. So I'm not sure if I can still find it, but I will try and link it if I find it. Next is this dry shampoo from Suave. It's for volume and fullness. This works really well, but if you use it more than just one day after wash, like if it's 2 days after wash or anything, it leaves like a super powdery feeling in your hair. But it is really nice besides that. It's very lightweight, and it smells really good. What else? It does add volume. I have noticed that. And yeah. Next, everyone knows this product. I'm not going to concentrate on it very much. It's the Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is the cherry scent. This is probably one of my favorite scents. It smells so good. These are my new favorite cleaning product. This is the Clorox Scentiva Disinfecting Wipes, and it's in the Pacific Breeze and Coconut scent. I just really love the scent. They clean super well. And I have, what do we have? The type of heat we have in the house causes like oil, I think we have gas heat. I think that's what it is. And it causes like an oily substance to build up on everything. And I have nothing that I can scrub it off with, and these take it off so easy. I'll show that to you later in my cleaning video. if I remember. Next, I've talked about this multiple times. It's the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Pumpkin Scent Multi-Surface Spray. I love the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface sprays and cleaners, but the pumpkin scent, I love pumpkin, and I got a lot of it last year, and I'm just so tired of it. I mean, it's a good product. I'm just tired of the scent, honestly, so I'm glad it's gone. Next is the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and it's in the peony scent. I love this. It smells super, super fresh, super good. It's got a really light floral scent. This is normally the dish soap I use. I'm trying a different one right now. But that was a limited edition spring scent, but I'll link the actual dish soap and you can pick whatever scent you want because there's a ton. Again, from Batiste, this is the tropical scent, and this is in the large size. That's not what I normally get. The small bottle I actually got for Grandma last year for Christmas, and she never did use it, so eventually I used it. But yeah, love this. What's next? Here's another Batiste. This is the fresh scent. Again, it's the large bottle. Love it. I can't get enough of Batiste. This is my favorite makeup remover, probably. It's the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is just a little travel size. Y'all know about it. It's a very popular product. It takes off everything. It gets down really deep and gets all the makeup off. Absolutely love it. What's next? This I've talked about multiple times before as well. It's the Downy Infusions Lavender Serenity Fabric Conditioner. This stuff's so good. It smells absolutely amazing. I like having the lavender scent for my bed sheets most of all because it really helps me sleep, and this scent stays for a long time. What's next? There's a candle in here. This is the Perfect Harvest Creamy Pumpkin Pie Candle from the Dollar General. As you can tell, it does not burn very clean, but the scent is very nice. These smaller candles, it literally burned in one day completely. So, here's another one of it, actually. So then another thing from Mrs. Meyer's is the Bluebell Scented Hand Soap. I love their hand soap as well. They're super moisturizing. They don't dry out my hands or anything when I wash my hands multiple times. And they have amazing scents as well. I'll leave all the makeup to last. This is the Febreze Air Effects Spring and Renewal Air Freshener. Love this stuff. It's a really nice floral scent, but it's not overpowering. I like keeping these in the bathroom for obvious reasons when people go to the bathroom. And then I keep them in my room as well, just to cover up any odors that might be in my room because I do have dogs. So I like to spray my bed and stuff just from where they lay and stuff like that. Next I think is all makeup. Oh, I had a little scent or a little sample of the Snuggle super fresh little what are these, like incense beads. They're really nice. I didn't notice much difference of a scent, but they were really good. Alright, everything else is makeup products. Let me dump it out. Some of these I'm just going to show you and toss because this I don't even know what it is. It's an eyeliner. This is a hard candy eyeliner, which I'm getting rid of, not because it's empty, but because it's so old. That's the same way with my Maybelline Brow Drama. They're great products. They're just really old and they have to go. This is empty. It's the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. Sorry guys, my camera cut me off. Like I was saying, that concealer is really, really good. It's full coverage. It smooths out really nicely on the face. It doesn't crease anything. Definitely recommend it. It's definitely worth the money. And a little bit goes a long way, so you can really get your money's worth out of it as well. These next three things I'm getting rid of again because they're old. This is, I don't know what this is. It's rubbed off. This is the Absolute New York Nano Liner. This was my favorite eyeliner for a long time. I haven't tried it in probably a year. I want to try it again because I used to absolutely love it and be obsessed with it. So I want to get back into it. And here's actually a second one, so that just proves how much I love it. Last two things. I have the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I actually only got to try this like one time, and the tube split open, and I didn't realize it, and it all dried up. So I'm glad it was just a sample size and not the full size, or else I would have been real upset. So yeah. Then the last thing I have is from Laguna Moon, and it's an essential oil, and it's in the geranium scent. I love this scent. I used it in my dryer balls, actually. It's just a really nice floral scent, and I used it in the spring and worked really nice. It's a spring scent. Right now I'm using peppermint for winter. But yeah, so that's all my empties products. I feel better now that those are done and out of the way, because my bag was overflowing, and it's been overflowing for a long time, and it needed done. So now that all is finished and it's out of the way, so now on to the rest of the vlog. I can't even speak. The rest of the vlog. Yeah, and like I said, I'll link as many of those down in the description box as I can, as well as the roll-on stuff. Love it. Alrighty, moving on to, I don't know what else I have to do. I gotta do something. I'll see you later. Alright guys, so it's now just after midnight. After I filmed the last clip, I did more cleaning and really just straightened up the whole house. And then Grandma came home and we had dinner and watched the Food Network. And now I've been editing for the past little bit, and I just jumped on here to say thank you so much for watching. We only have like 2 or 3 more days of Vlogmas left. Like, I can't believe it's almost over. But yeah, I'm going to end this here, and I have to get ready for bed. We have a busy day tomorrow. I have to go to work to drop off some paperwork, and then I have physical therapy, and then Grandma and I are going out to eat to Logan's, and after we eat, I have to go get some adjustments made on my glasses, and after that, I have to go to work. So it's kind of a busy, hectic day. I also have to start on my reviewing notes and stuff for my exam when I go back to school. So I got a lot to do tomorrow, but I'm ready for the week, and I'm honestly just ready for bed right this second. I've done a lot today. So I'm going to end this here. Like I said, I love you guys so much. Sorry today's vlog was so long. I had to add that empties video part in because I just wanted it done, and I thought it was easier just to add it into the vlog. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the morning, I guess. And I hope you all sleep well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!